Such circle is not inscribed.
Why are you kidding me?
Now, here, look please with me. Everybody watch. So, inscribed is on the circle. Everybody look up. A central angle. Now remember, see if you remember this. A central angle. If this was 40 degrees, what was the arc? You guys remember?
The formula for,
Yes.
yeah, it's theta
Hold on.
2 pi r over 360.
Maybe I didn't tell you this. I thought I did. But if I didn't, here you have it. If this is 40 degrees, then the arc is 40 degrees. Whatever that angle is in a central angle, so central angles, write this down just in case I haven't written it down before. A central angle is equal to the arc. Central angle is equal to the arc. So if that's 40, then your arc is 40. Okay? So, see how smart you guys are.
I spelled arc wrong. Are you kidding me?
Like, are you spelling it like the big boat?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, I'm just checking. So, now, that's crucial right there. That's important. Now, watch carefully. What happens next? What do you think the equation for would be for an inscribed angle? Now, bear with me. How far is this? Remember, what is that?
Oh, it would be.
That's
so
a radius.
20.
So that's one radius. How many radius is that?
2.
That's 2 radiuses. So, question. What's going to be bigger, the inscribed angle or the arc?
Arc.
The arc. And how much smaller is this angle going to be?
2 times smaller.
2 times smaller, or 1/2. Does that make sense? So when you have an inscribed angle, so write this down, this is the equation. Inscribed, where does it start? Has to start where? On a circle, right? And the equation is the angle, okay? The angle is equal to 1/2 the arc. So the angle is equal to the arc here, and this one, the angle is 1/2. So what's my inscribed angle? If the arc is 40, what's my inscribed angle, guys?
20.
20. Does that make sense, everybody? Okay? So if the arc is 40, then that is 20. We'll do a few of these, don't worry. Okay, so write this down. Inscribed angle, the angle is 1/2 the arc. So, let's use this. So class, everybody look. This inscribed angle right here, everybody see it? I'm marking it darker, right? Everybody see that inscribed angle?
Yes.
Can I ask you a question? What is that arc measure, first off? First off, what's this arc?
Oh.
180.
Good. How do you know that?
Because it's half the circle.
It's half the circle, okay? All right, so you guys got that part. That's from last lesson. Now, what's my inscribed angle? Someone already blurted it out, but think about it. Remember, if the arc is 180, right?
Shoot the other side.
90.
What would it be?
90.
90. How do you get that?
It's 1.
180 divided by 2, right? Is everybody following me? Are we good?
Yes.
So, let's flip that around. If the inscribed angle is 40, what is my arc?
80.
Go on.
80.
It'll be 80.
Why?
This is the same.
Well, because why? In order to get here, it's 2 times, right?
Yeah.
So it's, and here's how you remember it. Think about it. When you look at the problem, how many radii do you need? 2. So it's going to be 2 times to get that answer. Does that make sense? If I have this, and this is 80, what's this?
That would be.
Because it's one radii. Does that make sense? It's only one radius. Okay, is that fair? By following me on this inscribed angle thing? Alright? Okay, so tomorrow we'll finish up. There's no homework today. Tonight's Wednesday, right? Today is Wednesday, right?